Hi, eighth graders. This is going to be for Thursday, April 16th. I'm going to show you how to type a letter. Sometime you're going to have to type a letter even if it's in email form, but I still want to show you how to do it in a Word document. So you're going to go into your Google Drive and open up a document, and you're going to call it letter. Then I'm going to have you set it up this way. Now, it has Arial 11, but I want you to choose 12 or 14 because that is a good size. But this is a professional letter, so you don't want any crazy fonts. You want something that's easy to read, something professional. So the Arial is fine, or this one's okay. I probably wouldn't do anything bold or anything like this. So I like the Arial, so I'm going to keep it that way. Now I'm going to have you set this up. So we're going to do spacing. So here is line spacing. For some reason, Docs has it as 1.15. It should be single spaced. And now you are going to be set to type. Now I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when it's finished. So this is a business letter. So a business letter would have a logo up here of whatever the business name is. And then you would type whatever date you're doing it, which would be April 16, 2020. And then you would type the address of whoever you're sending it to. In this case, it's a restaurant. And then this is called the introduction here, salutation, Dear Julio. And then this is the body of the paragraph. Now, whatever font you pick, it's going to depend. It's not going to look exactly like this. So it's okay if this were is down here or something. It doesn't matter as long as you do not hit enter at the end of every line. Now, so you're going to space, you're going to enter 2 times after a paragraph. You're going to enter 4 times after this, and you're going to enter 4 times after the date. So you can do this in an email. Also, people usually don't do letters anymore. You're going to type your name at the bottom here. So you're going to be the president of this. So I'm going to show you right now. So now you have the document set up as single spaced, and you're going to put the date, and you're going to put April 16, 2020 with 1 space after the comma. Then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to type Mr. Julio M. Bassanez. So I'll do that for you. And then you're going to type the address of the restaurant, the name of the restaurant, the city, comma, and this is the state. LA is Louisiana. And then you're going to go down to Dear Julio, and you're going to type this. And then you're going to hit enter 2 times, and you're going to have 1 space in between these. When you're done, you're going to type, this is called a complimentary close. So they're using cordially here, but you may see sincerely or yours truly or thank you, something like that. But this one, you will type this exactly the way you see it, with the exception of the date that you type it and your name at the bottom. So when you are finished with this, you're going to hit the share button and you're going to share it with me. So what I'm going to do is you can either watch the video and type it from here, or I'm going to put a copy in Google Classroom in a PDF so you'll have something to look at. So that will be your assignment for Thursday. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me and let me know what's going on. Also, we just had an announcement that we're not going to be together now for the rest of the school year. So it's very important that if you have any questions, and a lot of you have been really good with asking me questions or emailing me, but I really would like more people to get onto the Google Meet on Mondays at 2 o'clock, because this way, if you have questions, you can answer right then and there as well. Okay? So you guys have a great day, and I will give you your assignment for Friday probably in the next day or two.